Okay, shafeli lento soqala isi-issues mina ngisuke ehamoni sengisho empumalanga ngikhonda bangaziyo bathi ufomela. I'm nice with it, look I ain't playing on the beat. I beat it, live it, deceased, and the game is in my jeans. You can feel my left pocket, ila penny bele khona intwana nyana izwile ngamle rap ngiyofela khona. When I search for competition it's from a bird's eye view. I know bangibukela phansi ngiyaba ngitalk nale shangis. Dog, I've carved my lane, now it's time to get to know the name. Me, you boys are not the same, I ain't gonna change the game. You should change the game and play a different game. Lend initiate liners and jail, y'all a bunch of lames. I never said so and so, but if the shoe fits, no it's hard to get in the red. Of course the truth hurts, I'm still healing from the facts that I'm providing. I am on a mission, steady grinding for the mind. Y'all don't have no vision like you, Ray Charles and them. I'm driven, check my passion, I will never be like them. You should go and watch the videos I've been posting on the gram. Them clips are hella fire, they can even bang your hands and say mina nsazogcwala when I rap, and in the present times it feel like it's December 25. And plus na mina cooler dog, I'm turning 25. Lentwana lezi file ziflula nobody rhyme. And since it vele ifile out in Pali obituary, bese ngitsita namagene shaye thuye after tears. Call me Paul Barrows cause I send them 6 feet underground, trying to feel the chills when I'm around. It's sad.